Hey everyone, if you're experiencing audio issues in InVideo, such as no sound, distorted audio, voiceovers not playing, background music problems, or audio that won't sync properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common InVideo audio problems in 2026. First, check your device volume and make sure your speakers or headphones are working correctly. Sometimes the issue may be outside of InVideo itself. Next, refresh the page or reopen the project. Temporary glitches can occasionally prevent audio tracks from loading properly. If you're using the web version of InVideo, make sure your browser has permission to play audio. Some browsers block sound automatically until media playback is allowed. Another common fix is checking the audio track within the editor. Verify that the track isn't muted and that the volume level is set appropriately. If you're using multiple audio tracks, make sure they aren't overlapping in a way that causes conflicts or makes certain sounds difficult to hear. For voiceovers, confirm that the narration file uploaded correctly and appears in the timeline where expected. If you're using AI-generated voices, regenerate the voiceover and check whether the issue persists. Temporary processing errors can sometimes affect generated audio. And that's how to fix InVideo audio problems in 2026. In most cases, checking audio settings, verifying file formats, updating your browser, and refreshing the project will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.